Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. Today we're going to be talking about how to use a paint squeezer. So if you have a bunch of paint tubes like I do that are kind of messed up and it's hard to get the paint out, you just put it in this tube, crank it until you get resistance and you're done, and it seals the bottom. You have to be careful though not to squeeze too hard because you can pop a hole in it. So just be gentle. It adds a lot of uniformity and makes your painting more efficient. So there you go. Now all of my paint looks nice and organized and it's ready to grab and go and get painting. Thank you for watching. Head over to yellowdotartist.com for more videos.